Hello there! My favorite Christmas carol is a traditional Ukrainian carol called Rejoice, O Earth, the Son of God is born. When Jesus was born in Bethlehem, angels appeared to the shepherds and proclaimed, Rejoice, the Son of God has been born. In Christmas Eve, in Ukrainian tradition, children go from house to house singing carols, just like those angels, sharing the joyful news with even whom they visit. I sang this song when I was a child, and I still sing it now, with even greater understanding of its meaning. It reminds me of the beauty of Christmas, of hope, and of the joy that came in the world on the holy night.